Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nana and today we're making a Paopu fruit cake that magically separates into a cake layer and pudding layer as it bakes. So editing Nana here, just coming in from the future to thank you for watching this video if you are still subscribed to my channel. It's been inactive for about 6-7 years now and I am very sorry for abandoning it. I feel like after my camera died and all these life events happened back to back to back to back, I just wasn't able to pick everything back up, which is a shame because I almost got like 1,000 subs. I almost got close to monetizing and I feel like I was really building a viewer base and a community with y'all. But anyway, mark this as the official rebirth of my channel. I have so much more in store for you for 2025. Thank you for being subscribed for this long. Stay tuned and let's get back to the video before this gets any more awkward. This video is for March Caprice, which is an annual virtual gathering of fans of the Kingdom Hearts series. My husband and I are super fans and we even had a Kingdom Hearts wedding, but that's a story time for another day. What you'll need for this recipe is 1 large $1 million egg, separate the yolk from the white, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1 tablespoon of pineapple or mango juice, I just use pineapple juice from the can, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 pinch of salt, a 1/3 cup of buttermilk, a 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar, and 1 drop of yellow food coloring. You can use gel or you can use the other stuff, pretzel sticks, or 1 large chocolate Tootsie Roll for the stem. And the most important part of this recipe, and to really make it resemble a Paopu fruit, you will need a star-shaped cake mold. I found these mini ones on Amazon, which I've linked down below. Butter and sugar your molds. I use my fingers to get into the nooks and crannies of the molds, and then I put a plate under the molds while I was sugaring them to catch any leftover sugar. Then I Tetris them into my 1,000-year-old baking dish, but you can use any baking dish or baking pan with nice high edges. Put those aside, aka send those to the shadow realm off camera while you get to the rest of the recipe. In a large bowl, use a whisk or hand mixer to beat the egg yolk, lemon zest, fruit juice, yellow food coloring. Wait, why my food coloring look like the poison for Cusco, aka Cusco's poison? Add the sugar and buttermilk until well combined. Add the flour and beat a little bit more to combine. In a separate bowl, beat the egg white and salt until stiff peaks form. Fold the egg white mixture into the egg yolk mixture until combined. Bring your molds back and pour the entire mixture into the molds, leaving about 1/2 inch at the top. This batter is only about 2 cups worth, so for the molds that I bought, it only filled up 2 of them. Pour hot water in the baking dish, enough to go halfway up the sides of the star molds. Bake for about 45 to 50 minutes until the tops are golden brown. Of course, this depends on your oven. This is the first time I made this recipe in this oven, so I did 45 minutes, but in hindsight, I should have did 40 because the tops came out a little more golden than I would have liked. Then take a plate, invert your cake pan into the plate, tap the pan and say the magic words to release the cake, and voila! You have a beautiful Paopu fruit cake with 2 distinct layers, a wonderful light fluffy cake layer, and a silky, tangy pudding layer. Insert a pretzel stick or a Tootsie Roll at the top of the cake, as well as your mint leaf. I grabbed these from my houseplant, and there you have it. I would describe the flavor of this cake as gentle and refreshing and perfect for the summer because it's so light and fluffy, and it also makes an amazing tea cake. Share your cake with someone you care about to make sure that your destinies remain intertwined. Thank you for spending time with me. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Watch some of my older videos to get caught up because new videos are coming.
I'm Nana, and this week we're going to be making Ninja Turtle cookies. Oh my god, they're glorious! I don't think I've ever baked anything that didn't come out burnt. And if they taste good, oh my god, I'm going to go on MasterChef. They're very bland.
Love you. Bye.